Hey guys, so today's video is about the Black Friday 2019 sales and our car wash in Canada. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Travel with Sobia Jib, where I post about Canadian immigration and our life with two kids as new immigrants. We'll be completing 1 year in December, and okay, so today is Black Friday, and everywhere there is sales going on. So we are going there and just to know what the hype is all about. And I have to buy, as usual, I have to buy a few things for kids. There is a good sale going on the makeups and different brands like Sephora, Body Shop, Bath and Body Works, and Old Navy, Carter's, Oshkosh. So let's see what the hype is all about. So I'll take you there and we can check it out. So people are going literally, they are going really crazy about this day because they have taken off from their offices, and they have taken early leaves, like whatnot, and they are there in the mall from 7 a.m. today. And literally I sent my husband to Winners yesterday, and the people are so crazy that they were actually around 8 he was at Winners, and people were like choosing the things. The sale starts today at Winners, so they were choosing the things and keeping their their chosen items in the corner in Winners, because so that nobody else can take it. So this is how crazy the sales are. So I wonder what it's going to be in the mall. So let's go and check it out.
Hi.
Where did you go?
We go to the masjid.
For
Namaz.
namaz, for Friday prayers.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now we are going for car wash.
Yeah, the car was straight there.
So let's see what we do in a car wash. You've already been there, right? You've seen a car wash. Good.
Let's get that. Look at the blue fan.
Please wait while we verify your membership. Please select. You are now ready to enter the car wash.
It wipes, cleans, polish, tires, underwash, all the washes you can see. It's I would say one of the finest quality I've seen. And it has, like, even it has polish. You can throw a wax coating on and get it polished, and everything is there.
So it's squeaky clean now, and it's all for $30 per month. And the car wash is unlimited, like you can even wash twice a day, every day. So now we are heading towards the mall to go and see the craziness this Black Friday has created. So
And you'll still get M&M's.
M&M's?
Yes.
Okay. So almost every shop had something going on, like almost 50% off on majority of the shops, but some of them had, like 25%, but majority ones were like, Ardeen, Carter's, Oshkosh had a very good sales going on. H&M had 20 to 25% off, and Uniqlo had some discounted items as well. And then it was time for Bath and Body Works. They had a promotion of buy 3 get 3 free, and that was an awesome deal, and the people were buying like crazy. रेड लोग क्यों नहीं लेते? बहुत टमाटर रेड है।
लाइट और हो रहा है।
How much is it? And then we headed to Mountain Warehouse because my husband wanted a jacket for himself. He has a thick jacket, like, you know, literally for snow from North Face, but it is so, you know, bulky and really warm that you know, he cannot wear it for normal daily use. So he wanted this one, and we couldn't decide on the colors, but then finally black was the one. So everything in the shop was literally like 50% off on everything, all the jackets, and yeah. So if they still have a sale going on tomorrow, so you can just head over if you want to buy anything from Mountain Warehouse. Nice. How much is it?
Good.
Take it. So Old Navy also had 50% off on all the items, and I was actually looking for fleece tights for my girl, but I couldn't find it there. Disney seems to have some really nice deals on the toys, and I don't know if their sale is going to be there tomorrow or not. You have to check it out. The Body Shop had literally 40% off everything, and yeah, but I just wanted a face wash from there, which was tea tree facial wash, and yeah, that's it. Tell you what we got today. We went to Mountain Warehouse, and I got this and this is really warm, and we got this for $20, but originally it was like around I don't know, 26 or something. So, and this is really warm. And we got these tights for my kid, and these are fleece tights, and these are inners, like you can top it with jeans or or pants. And these are fleece kits. We got this for $9, and this was originally priced at $18. So yeah, it was like, you know, majority of the things were 50% off. And then from Body Shop I wanted this face wash, tea tree face wash, and which was around $20, but we got this for after discount. Like there was everything at 40% discount, so we got this huge one, 400 ml bottle for $12. And now I'll show you my favorite most things from Bath and Body Works. Got this fragrance mist. I really love their fragrance mists. What? Why did you take it? No. And this body lotion. This soothing body butter, and this is really moisturizing. Got this Magic in the Air Diamond Shimmer Mist. And this Twilight Woods. And my favorite, Vanilla Bean. Okay, so reviews about Bath and Body Works products is like, you know, I am in love with their 3-wick candles, because just by putting it on in the room, it's like, you know, so fragrant that I can actually smell it. Like, you know, it's been lying on this table for 1 hour almost, and I can, it's so fragrant. And but their single wick candles I did not like at all. I bought 2 of them last time, but they were on promotion, buy one get one, but I did not like them at all. And about today's promotion, I got 3 things, and I just got 3 things free, completely